everyone! Today, we're going to have some fun with a farmer drawing step by step. So, grab your pencils and let's get started. First, we'll start with the eye. Then we'll move on to the nose and the lips as smiling. The rest of the face should be simple too. Trust me, it's easier than you think. Remember to keep it basic we want. Draw his hat for its adorable looks. Draw his hand holding a spade fork. Now draw his second hand and full body by following the steps shown. I absolutely love seeing how your drawings turn out. So don't forget to share them in the comments below. Our farmer to look friendly and approachable. And there you have it, our farmer is complete. Let's start coloring our farmer. And if you enjoy this content and want more fun drawing steps, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome videos.